Okay? So, ituloy natin yung ating example sa case number 4. So, ito yung ating problem. Integral of 2x to the 5th minus 2x to the 4th plus 3x cubed minus 7x squared minus 5x minus 2 all divided by x times x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared dx. So, dito tayo natapos sa ating huling video, no? So, dito. So, meron tayong 10x to the 4th plus 13x cubed plus 23x squared plus 13x plus 2 equals, no? A plus 2b times x to the 4th and then plus 4a plus 6b plus c times x cubed. And then plus 8a plus 8b plus 2c plus 2d times x squared. And then plus 8a and then plus 4b plus 2c plus 2d plus e times x. And then plus 4a. Okay, so dito ang gagawin natin ay isosolve natin yung values ng a, b, c, d at saka ng e. So gagamit tayo ng equating coefficients of like powers of x. Okay. So umpisa natin. For the constant, For the constant. So, ang ating constant sa left ay 2. Ang gagawin natin, equate lang natin siya sa constant sa right side na equation. At ang ating constant sa right side na equation ay 4a. Yan, yung 4a na yan. So, equals 4a. Okay? So, therefore, a equals 1/2. No? So, 1/2 equals a. So, yan yung value ng ating a. So, dahil may a na tayo, pwede nating ma-solve yung value ng b natin using the coefficients of x to the 4th. So, for x to the 4th, so, sa kaliwa, meron tayong 10. So, 10. At sa kanan naman, meron tayong a plus 2b. So, a plus 2b. So, yung a, papalitan natin ng 1/2. So, meron tayong 10 equals 1/2. And then plus 2b. So 10 minus 1/2. So yung 10 gagawin nating 20 over 2. So 20 over 2 equal din siya sa 10. Tapos minus 1/2. So equals 2b. So, 20 over 2 minus 1/2 equals 19 over 2. So, 19 over 2 equals 2b. So, therefore, b equals 19 over 4. So, 19 over 4 equals b. So, ito ngayon yung value ng b natin. Okay, next. So, dahil may a na tayo, may b na tayo, we can now solve the value of c using coefficients of x cubed. So, sa left, meron tayong 13. So, this is 4x cubed. So 4x cubed. So sa left, meron tayong 13. Sa right naman ay meron tayong 4a plus 6b plus c. So 4a plus 6b plus c plus 6b and then plus c. So yung a, papalitan natin ng 1/2. At yung b ay 19/4. No? So magkakaroon tayo ng 13 equals 4 times 1/2 and then plus 6 times 19/4 and then plus c. Plus c. Okay. So kakaroon tayo ng 13. 4 times 1/2 ay 2 and then plus. So 6/4 is 3/2. So over 2. And then 3 times 19 ay 57. So 57/2 and then plus c. Okay? So 13 minus 2 is 11. 11. So 13, sulat ko muna 13 minus 2 and then minus 57/2 equals c. So 13 minus 2 ay 11. So minus 57/2 equals c. And 11 is also equal to 22/2. So minus 57/2 equals c. Okay. So 22/2 minus 57/2 is negative 35/2. So negative 35/2. So this is now the value of c. Okay? Negative 35/2. Next, let us solve the value of d using the coefficients of x squared, because we have now the values of C, B, and A. Meron na tayong mga yon. Kaya we can solve for D using the coefficients of x squared. Sa left, the coefficient of x squared is 23. So this is for x squared. So 4x squared. Okay? So 23. 23. Ito. Equals. So dito naman sa right side, equals siya sa 8a plus 8b plus 2c plus 2d. So meron tayong 8a plus 8b and then plus 2c, and then plus 2d. Okay? So, meron tayong 23 equals A is 1/2. So, 8 times 1/2 plus 8 times B, 19/4. So, 19/4. And then plus 2C. Ang C natin ay negative 35/2. So, negative 35/2. And then plus 2D. Okay. So, meron tayong 23 equals, so 8 times 1/2 ay 4. 8 divided by 4 ay 2 times 19, 38. And then cancel 2, so minus 35. And then plus 2D. So 38 minus 35 ay 3. Plus 4 ay 7. So 23 minus 7 equals 2D. So 23 minus 7 is 16. No? So 16 equals 2D. Therefore, D equals 16 divided by 2. And that's 8. Ano? So 8 equals D. Okay. So, E na lang ang problema natin. So E. So, para sa E, gagamitin natin yung coefficients ng X. So, yung sa X. Ito. So, 8A plus 4B plus 2C plus 2D plus E. So, 8A plus 4B plus 2C plus 2D plus E. So, yan yung nasa right side. Sa left side naman natin ay equal siya sa 13. Okay? So, for X, for X, so natin dito ang bagya. For X, so sa left side natin, ang coefficient ng X ay 13. Sa right side ay 8A plus 4B. And then plus 2C plus 2D and then plus E. Okay. So, meron tayong 13. Yung A natin ay 1/2. So, 8 times 1/2 plus 4 times B, 19/4. So 19/4. And then plus 2C. Yung C naman natin ay negative 35/2. So negative 35/2. And then plus 2D. At ang D naman natin ay 8. and then plus E. Okay, so meron tayong 13. So 8 times 1/2 ay 4. Cancel 4. So plus 19. Cancel 2. So we'll have negative 35. No? And then plus 16. Plus E. So 19 plus 16 ay positive 35. So cancel 35, ano. So magkakaroon tayo ng 13 minus 4 equals E. And 13 minus 4 is 9. So 9 equals E. Okay. So, ayan ngayon yung mga values ng ating mga constants. Okay? So, let's have a recap, ano? So, meron tayong A, 1/2, B, 19/4, at meron tayong C, negative 35/2, meron tayong D, 8, and E equals 9. Okay, so ang atin na ngayong problem ay magiging, so meron tayong integral of 2 integral of dx. So susulat natin yon, 2 integral of dx. So, meron tayong 2 integral of dx. So, 2 integral of dx. And then, minus na. Minus. Minus. Okay? Minus. And then, integral of the equivalent partial fractions of so 10x to the fourth plus 13x cubed plus 23x squared plus 13x plus 2 divided by x times x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared. So ito yung equivalent partial fractions niya, no? A over x. Eh, ang A natin ay 1/2. So, 1/2 over x. 1/2 over x. So, yun yung unang term natin, ano? 1/2 over x. Okay, next. And then, plus b times 2x plus 2 plus c. b times 2x plus 2 plus c. So, plus b, ang b natin ay 19/4. So 19/4 times 2x plus 2 and then plus c. Ang c natin ay negative 35/2. So negative 35/2. So divided by, no? So, ito siya. Divided by x squared plus 2x plus 2. So, x squared plus 2x plus 2. And then plus. So, ang kasunod naman ay d times 2x plus 2 plus e divided by x squared plus 2x plus 2 quantity squared. Okay. So, plus d. So, ang d natin ay 8 And then times 2x plus 2. And then plus e. Ang e natin ay 9. And then divided by, and then x squared plus 2x plus 2 quantity squared. X squared plus 2x plus 2 quantity squared. And then times dx. Okay. Kaya yan, yung negative mo multiply natin sa loob. No? At pag-iwalay natin yung integral. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 integral of dx. And then minus 1/2 integral of dx over x. And then negative times positive ay magiging negative. At ito ay pwede nating ihiwalay. No? Ito, ihiwalay natin siya. So, meron tayong 19 over 4. 19 over 4. Tapos, integral of 2x plus 2 times dx. So, divided by x squared plus 2x plus 2. So, x squared plus 2